guys, it's Kylie, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do a different binding off technique in knitting. This one I love to use for hats and different things. This is what I'm going to show y'all here. It is the slip slip knit technique, which I love how it works up. And like, these are baby hats, which I will have a free pattern for. I will link below so y'all can find the pattern from preemie to like size 12 months. But the slip slip knit method makes it where it curves and it rounds off the top, so you don't knit and wind up with it pointed or curving in too much or gathering all. It makes it evenly decrease. You can see how it just kind of swirls into the top, and I'll flip it up so you can see, and see how it all just kind of swirls into the top, and I love how it looks. So we'll get right into it. So you can see here where I've already begun decreasing, and you see how it curves. So when you get to the pattern where it says slip slip knit, all you're going to do is you're going to slip these next two stitches off onto your right hand needle. So you're going to take it like you're going to knit it, you'll just slip it off, and then you'll slip the next stitch off, slip. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your left hand needle and insert it through both those stitches. So I got both of them there, and then I'm just going to grab that other yarn and pull up the loop like that. And that's how you slip slip knit. Let me work my way down here to the other one, and I'll show you again how to do it. So I'm just knitting across till I get to the next space where I'll slip slip knit. What you can see is right here, because you'll eventually get where you don't even have to count the stitches. You just know when you reach here, okay, I'll slip this one off and the one after it, and do your slip slip knit. So let me get down here. Last one. Okay, so again, we will slip it off like we're going to knit it. Slip. We will take our left needle, put it through both of them to the front, wrap our yarn, and pull it through both of them. And that, you can rewind it if you need to, and that is how you slip slip knit. And I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial.